Hello, dear students. Welcome to this session. We are going to discuss cash crop coffee. As you know that this is the best beverage, non-alcoholic beverage in the world, and this is significant. The coffee plays significant role in the international trade. So, guys, and you also enjoy coffee quite often than not. So today's topic is coffee, and we are going to discuss how we can cultivate coffee and what is the process of cultivation of coffee and processing of packaging of coffee and how coffee reach at your home. Okay, so in this lesson, all the things we are going to discuss. As you know that coffee is a tropical region, tropical climatic regions plantation cash crop, and it is beverage. First, it developed or it cultivation of this coffee is in Ethiopia at first time, and the name coffee falls in the name of highland district of Kafi in Ethiopia. And after that, from Ethiopia, coffee growing spread to Arabia, Turkey, Italy, and rest of the Europe. Okay, in the mid of century, it was introduced in America and Brazil. It was introduced in Bharat by the British in 1830 when they set up plantation in Karnataka. So, in first time in India, the coffee plantation in Karnataka. Now, guys, moving towards next slide, types of coffee. There are many types, but the types of coffee, three major parts. One is Arabica, second Robusta, and third one is Liberia. So in this picture, you are just look at this picture. This is Arabica and Robusta, and from this is the quality-wise difference of these three. And Arabica is the significant and the important coffee and the superior quality coffee in the world. Cheapest coffee is again Robusta, and the coffee which is prepared instantly is Liberica. Look at this. This is the plant of coffee uh, in a nursery or beds. This is the flowers of coffee. Look, so beautiful flowers of this coffee. And look at this berries. This berries having one berry is having two beans. One berry consists two beans. Okay. So we are going to discuss all the things in process of this coffee. Look at this. This is the coffee plants, and this is the fruit of berries. Actually, this name is berries in this plant, and the plantation of this crop in a terrace pattern of agriculture like this. Look at this plant of Brazil, and this is the terrace pattern of agriculture. This is beans of coffee. Okay, and this is the leaf of coffee. What is the geographical condition? Actually, the ideal temperature for coffee is 18 to 28 degrees Celsius and rainfall 125 centimeter to 200 centimeter well distributed throughout the year. But water logging is not good for coffee cultivation. So slope hills prevents waterlogging. That's why the plantation of coffee in an area of hills in the terrace pattern of farming. Okay. When it comes to talking about soil, soil must be black lava soil, well drained with humus, volcanic soils, red and laterite soils, also ideal soil for the cultivation of coffee. Okay, and the this plants cultivation only high altitude zones so that terrace farming can easily be held there. A relatively dry period for the ripening and peaking ideal plants skilled labor for plucking required. This is also favorable condition. And the frost is injurious to coffee like tea. It is very common. Tea and coffee plantation is very common, but somehow it is different. Um, so direct sun rays also harmful for this plantation crop coffee. That's why coffee planted between oak tree, silver oak tree, jackfruit tree, banana tree. Okay, because coffee trees wants shelter. Okay, again harvesting of coffee. Coffee shrubs are ready for beer fruits in 6 to 8 years. The yield lasts for 30 to 50 years. Regular pruning is done to the facilitate plucking coffee shrubs are allotted to grow the height of 2 or 3 meter. That means 2 or 3 after pruning it will be 2 or 3 meters. Berries begins ripen. The time of ripen berry of coffee is October, and sunshine is needed for this purpose. That particular time sunshine is needed. So October month is a good month for berry, ripen berry in India. Plucking is done by hand and will continue till January. And for this, man power requires more. Look at this. This is the figure of processing of coffee. Okay. Now we are going to discuss one by one. So after berries are picked, they are through the bath, running water tank actually, and sluice where sticks, leaves, and bad berries float can be removed. Okay, so in this tank, there is a tank for the purpose of washing berry, and bad berries and the ripened rotten berries can be removed in after washing it. Okay, the good berries then go to the pulping house and where machinery remove the pulp. And we remove the pulp. Each berry contains two. Each berries contain two beans. Okay, and each beans having thin parchment like skin. Okay. At first, the uncovered coffee beans appear soft and bluish green, but later become hard and pale yellow. And as you seen in the picture, uh, the bean then run through the seeds and fermentation washing tank in a washing tank. Okay, coffee beans are then coffee beans are then dry, dried to let cure for the several weeks. And hulling and peeling are the next step. And after hulling, machines remove the parchment, that is silver screen, and bean are separated sorted till they are best and largest bean left. Okay. Special processing, there are two methods of special processing. One is wet method and second is dry methods. So these methods, as you know, parchment of coffee used for consists of the removal screen and pulping, fermentation, washing, drying. Nowadays, there are mechanized process of coffee estate for this process. And again, dry methods, the covering is the removed by drying in the sun and seeds pointed to remove the outer covering. The color, flavor, and taste of coffee are result of roasting. Look at this Arabica coffee and Robusta coffee. And what is the region, area in India? So the shade, as you seen in the picture, dark green shade shown that highest cultivated land, that is Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu. After that, some non-significant area where coffee cultivation occurs this time is Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and the northeast state Arunachal, Assam, Nagaland, Meghalaya, all the northeast states almost growing coffee. So, Karnataka, Bharat, coffee grown only in South Bharat, especially Nilgiri, most productive area, Cardamom and Plani, Annamalai Hills are the large area of plantation of the coffee. So Karnataka produces two-thirds of the total coffee production in Bharat. Okay, Kerala has a number of coffee plantations. Tamil Nadu has about 7,000 coffee plants. Okay, with this, this is coffee plantation. I hope you understand well. Thank you so much.